I miss American dreams since I was 17. Don't matter if I step on the scene or sneak away to the Philippines. They still gon' put pictures of my derriere in the magazine. Do you want a piece of me? You want a piece of me? I miss bad media karma. Another day, another drama. Guess I can't see the harm in working and being a mom. And with a kid on my arm, I'm still an exceptional earner. You want a piece of me? I miss his lifestyle, the rich and famous. I miss his, oh my god, that Britney shameless. I miss his extra, extra, it's just thin. I miss her, she's too big, now she's too thin. You want a piece of me? I miss his, you want a piece of me, trying and pissing me off. We're getting around with the paparazzi who's flipping me off. Hoping I'll resort to some havoc, end up settling in court. Now are you sure you want a piece of me? You want a piece of me? This is most likely to get on the TV for slipping on the streets, been getting the groceries, not for real. Are you kidding me? No wonder there's panic in the industry. I mean, please, you want a piece of me? I miss his lifestyle.